Hi wiring winners, Jay from Simtek. Well, we're going to say goodbye to this lovely MK here for the customer. We're very pleased to have been able to do the work and very pleased that he's allowed us to video it. So it'll be the final video this. After this I'm going to do a load more if I can on other projects, particularly on our body module and how it works. But for now we've pretty much finished. We've got all the wiring in. It's all been tested, we've run through everything. The only thing we've not done is start the engine, but we've put the ECU in there, we've modified it, we've put the connectors on. Our BCU's there, not fully mounted yet because the customer's got to modify some of these bits and pieces and put the car back together. He's got to mount his alarm sensor there and put his BBS in wherever he wants it when he's put the interior. But for now, we've pretty much tested everything. We're really pleased with the results, and he's coming to collect this afternoon, so hopefully he'll be very happy with it, and we're very pleased to thank him greatly for allowing us to put it on YouTube. So please keep an eye open. I hope you've liked these videos. They've not been as regular as we wanted, but we've been very lucky to be quite busy, so I've had to duck and dive a bit on doing social media stuff. But keep an eye on us on the YouTube and on the WhatsApp. You're welcome to ring us, discuss your project. More than happy to email or text or whatever's convenient for you to get in touch with us. So once again, thank you very much to the customer, and bye-bye for now.